These are like some of my bestest friends.
Making outing time.
Alright, I think you're slobbering on me over here.
Making outing.
Stay from me, you freaking dog. Don't even like it. I'm not even into that. What the hell's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Ooh, a dolphin? Is it like, oh, look, a chicken?
I'm an alligator, and I just would like to tell all of you that it's okay sometimes if you're kind of sad and feel like doing some drugs.
The alligator should eat the cat.
Oh, it does have a pocket. Let's see, a pocket.
Okay, that one's really dirty when you think of where you just put your pocket and what that cat could be called.